EFCC boss Olukayode to face criminal trial for contempt of court on May 13th. This is getting interesting. Kogi State High Court sitting in Lokoja has ordered the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, Olukayode, to appear in court on May 13, 2024, to show cause why an order of committal should not be made against him for allegedly disobeying court order. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, is facing a contempt charge for carrying out some acts upon which they, the EFCC, have been restrained by the court on February 9, 2024, pending the determination of the substantive originating motion. Justice R.A. Jamil, delivering a ruling in suit number HCL 68M 2024 and motion number HCL 190M 2024, ordered that the said act was carried out by the respondent EFCC in violation of the order, which was valid and subsisting when they carried out the act. The same act of respondent amounts to contempt. EFCC operative had laid siege on the residence of the immediate past governor of Kogi State, Alhaji Yaya Bello, as early as 8 a.m. on April 17, 2024, with a bid to arrest him despite court order restraining them from taking such action, pending the determination of the originating motion. Justice Jamil's order was based on motion expertise filed by Yaya Bello through his lawyer, MS Yusuf ESQ, where he prayed the court for an order to issue and serve the respondent, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission chairman, EFCC chairman, with Form 49 notice to show cause why order of committal should not be made on Olukayode. Having listened to the argument of the applicant counsel, the submission and exhibit attached in the written address, Justice Jamil granted Yaya Bello prayers and ordered Olukayode to be summoned to appear before the court to answer the contempt charge. Delivering his order on the motion on April 25, 2024, Justice Jamil said, and I quote, "The applicant's application before me is to effect that the respondent has carried out some acts which they have been restrained by this court on the 9th of February 2024, pending the determination of the substantive motion on notice before this court. That the said act was carried out by the respondent in violation of the order, which was valid and subsisting when they carried out those acts. This same act of the respondent amount to acts of contempt. That the respondent should be summoned to appear before the court to answer to the contempt charge. It is against the above fact that these cautions. It is against the above fact that this court hereby grant the prayer sought in line with the principle of Audi Ultra Patron, to wit, an order of this honorable court for the issuance of Form 49, notice to show cause why order of committal should not be made against the executive governor, the executive chairman rather, of the respondent Economic and Financial Crimes Commission EFCC, and order for service of Form 49, notice to show why order of committal should not be made on the executive chairman of the respondent Economic and Financial Crimes Commission EFCC at the EFCC Corporate Headquarters, Plot 301 302 Research and Institute District, Abuja. This matter is adjourned to the 13th of May 2024 for the respondent's chairman to appear before this court in order to before this court in answer to Form 49 ordered to be served on him. Now, you see what the cause? Are you seeing what is going on? Someone should help me out. What is the difference between judge that collect bribe from criminal and criminal itself? My dear, no difference. The main problem of Nigeria is the judiciary. The number of rotten eggs in the system is so slumming. It's so alarming. The main problem of Nigeria is the judiciary, the number one rotten eggs in the system, and it is so alarming. Someone should help me out. What is the difference between judge? Okay, I think I've said that before. These people, it's difficult for them to perform because they know each other, that they are corrupt. Criminal. Want to arrest criminal is not possible. They know how they became president. So you want to calm down. Since I know my boss' work is not clean, what do you expect Bello to do? the judiciary, executive, legislative, and into real corruption. He wants our country to move forward with truth or lies. Let all of us ask this question in your heart, and you will face it for 4 years. But the thing is, I don't understand how, from the news article I actually read, it was confirmed that this particular EFCC chairman, when they wanted to invite Ayabelu for questioning, instead of giving him a written letter, they called him on phone. I don't see the over familiarity in Nigeria system. The thing there is appalling, because I know you're supposed to follow protocol. Whether you like make you be saying that your picking 9 day for that particular place, or let it be your father, or let it be whoever it is you are, making the person formally be your slave, you have to follow procedure. When I heard it, I was like, what did they do? Waiting be the thing where they do. It doesn't make sense. Okay, now they are now suing him. Imagine person where they drag Yabelo, now they drag him. It doesn't make sense. They are supposed to arrest this lawyer for treasonable offenses for backing a thief. Your client Yabelo is not appearing in court twice. What have you done on that? Is that not contempt of court? That is abuse. Alright, they are supposed to arrest. Okay, I think I've said it before. He's still a suspect. Stop speaking. Stop. Oh, goodness. Stop talking like a fool. Oh, goodness. And I'm going to say this, I've said it again. I still don't understand how they're able to turn this whole thing, turn it on this man. I do not understand. The judge should be investigated. He's part of those criminal in Kogi State. EFCC should investigate this man. The judge should know that EFCC as a body is capable of arresting the judge himself if you have any corruption cases. Nigeria is truly a scam. The EFCC chairman has allowed himself to be used. He has so much energy of hate towards Yaya Bello. How would you have a valid court order since the 9th of February 2024, and you deliberately go against it and you're shouting and making all sort of noise about a person? You know done well. Why should the law enforcement agency like EFCC be breaking the law all the time? They only disobey court orders. They have been doing this to many victims who do not have anyone. Well, he knows it is a crime to disobey court orders. So what are the circumstances? You have to prove a person is guilty with evidence, not by falsely arrest. You need a court order to arrest a person. They know the law and they should follow it. Alright, on this note, you have come to the end of the news. So say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time. Enjoy the rest of your day.